Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in to see what I am up to. I have my Facetory. I don't know what month this is for. This might be January. I have no clue. So much has changed with them. I am now an ambassador for Facetory, so things, I get packages. I'm not sure, are they the ones that they're sending me or mine? I do think that this is my Forever Fresh kit that I get every month. So I do believe this is January's. So I just have on my little card here. Forever Fresh kit is $8.90 a month, $8.90 a month. You get 4 masks. 7 Lux is $19 a month. You get 7 masks, and they have the Lux Plus Box. It's a seasonal quarterly box, $49.95. You get 10 to 12 skincare, hair care items with a value of at least like $180, $200. That box is phenomenal. You get a nice range of products. So let's see what I have this month. I just opened the top so that I could get into it. And this is what I see. Little pack. Just keep glowing. And this is Hey Facetory Fam. Let's start 2021 with some of our favorites. This month we decided to bring in masks that we know work the best. Okay, so then I would assume this is January 2021. Like I always am confused. They used to be behind a month, so when I received my package in December, it was November, but now this is saying 2021, so I'm assuming this is January. To me, it doesn't matter. I get one every month. This, I don't see an everyday card like I used to get, and maybe they stopped doing that. I don't know, but I'll look up some of this stuff for you. This is from, I think it's, Balloon Blanc, and this is Blanc Therapy, and this is a vitamin mask. Oops, I'm sorry, can't hold that one up right here. And this is good until 2022, the end of the year. And I like the cards because it gives me like active ingredients. This is a vitamin C mask. From Facetory themselves, this is their Vitality Firming Mask, and this is with pomegranate, and this is really nice. Their masks are usually pretty fun and very, very good. This is from Zygot, and this is Angels in the Sky. This is their Pearl Mask, a real ampule mask. Look at the packaging on this. So pretty. Love it. Like, it would tell you the benefits of the pearl. I will have to see. I can go on their site and try to get some information. Another one from Facetory, and this is their Everyday Olive Squalene Skin Balancing. Olive View. That's cute. So that's this mask. So these are my 4 masks for the month, which I do 1 a week. Sometimes I do 2 a week because I do have an overabundance. So I have 4 masks. This will last me for the entire month. So next month I'll get 4 more. And if you do 1 a week, I don't suggest doing more than, the 1 or 2 a week. Always follow the instructions, 10-15 minutes, 15-20, the 15-20. What's this other one here? 15 to 20. Don't leave the mask on for 30 minutes. Follow the instructions. Any mask, leave it on for how you're supposed to. You can store your sheet masks in my skincare fridge, which I have right there, which I might, not in the winter time. I don't want anything super cold to sit on my face. So you get a cool spa-like experience. You can, if it's too cold, before opening, try placing your sheet mask in a warm bowl of water for a few minutes. So like in your bathroom sink with warm water, let it warm up and then put it on your face. It's still going to be comforting. Sheet masks are still filled with essence. Don't neglect your neck. Fold the mask in half and apply it to your neck, your décolleté, your hands, wherever you want to put the excess. Don't waste it. This is Korean sheet masks. Some of them, the Facetory ones do not have it, but you can see on the back, but they do give you the English, so you can follow 15 to 20 minutes. Like the important parts are ingredients are in English. I'm sorry, losing my voice, and the time to keep it on. And then these are from Facetory, so these are in English on the back. I'll post a little photo of these, and then I can look into them and see. I love the active ingredients. I might have to look them up on the Facetory site. But I appreciate you watching this video, and I love Facetory. I hope you guys do too. I hope everyone is doing well, staying safe, getting a good start off for this 2021. I know mine was a little rough there, but it's much better now. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.